Greetings, I'm Barbara Faison, your mindfulness meditation ambassador. Let's take a moment to be mindful. Just notice what you see through my lens. Look in front of you, and then look over to the side. Look up, look down, and then look behind you. And just stay with your breath. Next, we'll move over to our sense of smell. So just take a deep breath in and notice what you smell. Take in the aromas, the odors, the fragrances, and sense where you are. On your next in-breath, let's tune into the sounds we hear. You can tune into the sounds here and the sounds where you are. And on your next in-breath, just check in with the tastes that are in your mouth. Tune into your sense of taste. Just breathe and notice what you may have lingering from what you've had to eat or drink. And on your next in-breath, just rub your hands together and feel the energy that you're creating when you connect your hands. And then place your hands on your body and feel that energy go into your body. And now, remind yourself of what you saw. Take a deep breath in and notice what you smell. Tune into the sounds around you and notice what you hear. Run your tongue around in your mouth and notice what you taste. And then where your hands are on your body, just give your body a little love squeeze. And then notice the sensations after tuning into all of your senses. Now give yourself a big hug. Say your name and I love you. And then say, body, I love you. Thank you for tuning in to this Schutz meditation where we connected with our sight, smell, hearing, taste, touch, and our sensations. Be well.